South Africa.
No, we've been to the jungles of Africa.
Yes.
Radio Mazu Kanya brought.
Yes.
We had gone to the savannah grassland. Yes. Na radio make abiti. Because there were no roads.
Yeah.
Look what you found to kill Siro Rana Kure Naivasha.
The
off-road area.
Yes.
Any.
And I want to go no sikura.
No sikura. Because you have to find the zone undeveloped. Safari like a track.
Yes.
Yes. Those you took a mother in with Marumi. You go swim Kenya.
Yes.
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 Yes. Okay, you go. Yes. You na wito kelude.
Yes.
They can hold how can you in house stage.
Yes.
They korokaya go the kiawa bogo.
Yes.
Madio ya kiawa bogo di klasia di gana ko.
Iya was tia Jakinyaga. Ado igwa mathi kwa safari ne magacio kanyanya-ini.
Yes. Na nguri kanto ma thukuru ke futha tukambata kanya-ini maguru.
Yes.
Muthenya wa thukuru
muone emwe.
Tuone emwe.
Yes.
Patrick Njiro akihetoka ri.
Yes.
Akarirwo macuka.
Yes.
No kaga hau agathiuruka macuka iguru kahura kiria 360. Acoka agathie. Ahetoka ri. Andu othe makainuka.
Ni mamenya aya Njiro tondu twara Subaru Legacy.
Yes, ni mamenya namba.
Yes.
Okay, dio na andu mamenya ati ni weroka. Rimwe ni kuona ni yarirwo, umira na ngi ungi makeheria macuka ihenya. No yarirwo akinya house stage ro na gahiuria. Agathiuruka macuka iguru. Aragirwo macuka. Macuka ni atumia.
Tatiga Njiro.
Yes.
Mutiaragira you Kankinen.
Tutiamwe.
Ian Duncan.
Mundu njui ni Njiro.
Uria Jonathan Troy Teach.
Njiro ni we njui wega.
They used to race around that time kwa Ian Duncan. Athiana Toyota. Where ayuka kurekeria athiana the Land Cruiser. Teno ya thigari. Yes. Ni kwari of course Patrick Njiro there.
Yes, Njiro. Yeah.
Yes. There was you Kankinen. Yes.
Na ito damenya gutamukoro ri titene.
Ndo mga Juha Kankinen.
One Juha.
See you Kankinen.
Yes.
Who else was there?
Troy Teach.
Jonathan Troy Teach.
Oh yes, son to the late president of Kenya.
Yes. He also passed. The rally driver.
Oh yes.
And then there was who else? Mushemi.
Mr. Mushemi.
Baba Shikuka na Baba Shiru. Yes. There were those rally drivers.
Yes.
Of course, adore reu mangemenya ucio generi kare aman sai mona gatonye. Acio ne mangemenya Shakameta.
Shakameta. Ona ngikura Shakameta ndicire gene bathi.
No, there was Shakameta.
Yes. This was a driver. Oh yes.
So those were the days when we used to know the local ones.
Yes.
Kwa Patrick Njiro.
Patrick Njiro. Hetoka toka inuka.
No, you know, either kira ilwa Nairobi Primary State House.
Oh yeah.
Leave to a flag off.
Igikuurithio.
KICC.
Yes.
Ni watu athiaga. Riu ciuga kanya ni twako tucionire tene. Ndio tiakiara amacuka.
Ithe twariaga mara. Mureire nyama tene.
Tutiaraga ritho.
No, I
remember taking class 3. Patrick Njiro kiria getugeithio. I felt good.
Yes.
Njiro.
Patrick Njiro. Mundu ikaine mabururi ona ti bururi. Yes.
Na kiejera, I hope you become a rally driver one day.
What happened?
I am driving comedy.
Exactly, by the way. You are driving in another field.
You see, now what was I supposed to be driving for training?
It is available. The tools of work are not available.
This is relative of Kina Mashima Alice. Alice Wadeka. You know, he's a young man. So near exposure, you need that the Rutaganado. The inspiration was there. Yes. But the means, but of course we are proud of Patrick. You know, I remember that vividly.
Yes.
Namatukumu no modashi mani na Jeff Koinange.
Aha.
Yes.
When he was alikuwa wapi those days?
It was a KTN.
Oh yeah, before he
then he went to CNN, then put on some dreadlocks and then came back.
Yes.
Yeah, karaga juiri riwa gani atindeo karaga.
Amekarangire haha K24.
Uri no muthuri wa horio riu.
Yes.
I actually personally met Jeff Koinange head the 98 bomb blast. Yes.
Haria belly bottom house. Yes.
Riu aigiraga ndege nigetha moe mbica cia kuma iguru. Helicopter.
Yes.
What's your name? What's your name? I'm Ngoni Rita. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a journalist. All the best, man. I wish I could take you on a ride on this chopper. But the rules, man, the rules, they don't agree. They don't allow. Now, that one told something that was near the truth.
Hey, oh, by the way, yes, now you are here.
The inspiration now, that one worked. I used to be very bold. Utakanyagwa na ndege. Utakanyagwa na ndege. But I just wanted to say hi to you. My, oh my. Let me tell you.
Ndamuona na karavisha nini nie. Ni hata jamani nake huko kameme. Ndiale yake ndio ndivyo.
I used to follow that guy up a lot. From Monrovia, Liberia, CNN, this is Jeff Koinange. You know, he was bureau chief, West Africa.
Yes.
Wahianyu.
Yeah.
Yes. I was the man. Choka yuka hareu K24. Yeta watu ya mwenu wa hosite ginya jogu wa joroge. Ya jogu wa joroge amura. You know, Jeff.
Take on the bench.
Karema motiume. As you know it. Yeta go.
The bench. There was the bench.
I remember the slogan was all Kenyan. All the time. It was hard talk or what talk?
No. All Kenya no veterinary goko
K24. K24. Yes.
Tiari the bench liko wapi?
Ndio hiyo bench ilianza.
Yes.
Yes. Welcome to what was that talk? There's something talk.
Yes.
Wakihana ogwo.
Dokimeta koraya.
Ato efundagio Sunday school ni mwalimu wetu aitwa Rachel Omamo. Yes.
Ilikuwa inaitwa Capital Talk.
Capital Talk ya John Miano.
Yes.
Yake ni adeko ogwo. Yuto efundagio Sunday ni Rachel Omamo.
Wow.
Yes. Ndio dati. Mwalimu wetu wa Sunday. Okay. Nairobi Chapel. Na we chairman one developmental day. I don't know. I still think he still goes there. Social political analyst. Ngoni.
No, amuthomithia yake.
No, ari chairman one development wa kanitha.
Okay, so ekire nursery school muthomithio no.
Resho mamo. Kamotho wa iganjo nake ari okia maine gya kanitha.
Okay.
Wakiri kamotho wa iganjo.
Ni natharĩ rĩ.
And
Goja.
Oscar Mureu.
Natharĩ rĩ. Ndathomithio no agathĩra.
Jetagwo Susan wa Mwangi.